Hello, I'm Thomas, the number one blue engine. I work on the Fat Controllers Railway and every day I make sure I'm a really useful engine. Hello, I'm Percy, the number 6 green engine. I'm Thomas's best friend and I love delivering the mail. Hello, I'm Duck. Montague's my real name, but everyone calls me Duck. I'm a Great Western engine. I'm proud to be part of Sodor, and there's two ways of doing things, the Great Western way and the wrong way. Hello, I'm Edward. I'm the number 2 blue engine. I'm one of the steadiest engines on Sodor. Hello, I'm Gordon, the number 4 blue engine. I'm the fastest and best, and I pull the express. Hello, my name is Donald. I have a twin named Douglas. We work well together. We do sometimes argue, but we care about each other no matter what. Hello, I'm Charlie. I love to tell jokes. I'm a funny engine. Hello, I'm Diesel 10. I have a claw named Pinchy. And you better make sure, Twinkle Toes, you must watch out for those steamies, otherwise they'll be killed. I'm Bash, I'm Dash, and I'm Ferdinand. Hello, my name is Splatter. I have a good friend and my name Dodge, but Diesel 10 calls us Splodge. We are really useful diesels, innit, Dodge mate? Well, we love to work well together, and we love to be really useful diesels for all the others. Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm a purple tank engine. I work with Daisy on the branch line that goes up to Harwick. Hello, I'm Aeneas. I'm one of the narrow gauge engines. I work well alongside my good friend Scott Louie here at the Blue Mountain Quarry. And hello, I'm Sunny. I'm very new to Sodor. I was given a second chance by the Gov, and I proved myself to be really useful and saved Diesel's life from an accident. Better watch out. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You just need a second chance. Hello, I'm Fearless Freddy. I'm fearless. I'm a narrow gauge engine. Fearless Freddy never fails. Hello, I'm the Fat Controller. I'm the head of the railway. Hello, I'm Scruffy. I was broken into pieces by Oliver, but the Fat Controller has given me a second chance. Now I'm going to try and be really useful no matter what people say.